Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into the Amazon deals, and this we're going to be specifically looking at the Amazon new releases. So if you want to go ahead and check this out anytime, I only do these new release version videos like once every couple months, just because sometimes the things that Amazon releases under the tools section just isn't that great. So I try to give it some more time than just a couple weeks. So if you want to access it any time and just check it out, you just click on new releases up at the top, come down to tools and home improvement. Then you can click on air tools or whatnot. It's going to show a lot of different things when you click on home improvement and tools. Then I like to go to power and hand tools. And then here you can select whether you want to specifically look at power tools, hand tools. So we're just going to go through these. I'm not going to talk about every single one, just some of them that catch my eye, and I really hope you guys enjoy. So Klein a few months ago released some new products, and this is their impact driver. This is their 7-in-1 flip socket set, basically made for a little impact driver, which is fantastic. This has 6 different sizes, and it's meant for quick changes, so you don't have to constantly go and grab a different nut driver or hex driver or anything like that. So it's really quick. If you use a lot of these can definitely be pretty handy. So this has 4.5 stars out of 182 ratings so far, and it's for just under $25. And keep in mind that even though a lot of the products made by Klein are made in the USA, the new releases of these styles of tools are made in Taiwan as far as I can tell. This one doesn't show, but I'll show you another one. Here's another product kind of released of the same design. You have a 14-in-1 adjustable screwdriver with the flip socket, and then it also has bits in the handle. This is just under $25 as well, 4.5 stars at 11 ratings, so not a whole lot there. But this does state that the country of origin is Taiwan. Not that that's a huge deal, but a lot of people that buy Klein Tools buy them because a lot of their products are made in the USA. So I did want to state that, just in case you might think these new ones are made in the USA. They are not, at least as far as this. But with this being their flip socket design, I would believe that these other designs are also made in Taiwan, considering they're using the same flip sockets and everything. So it's just something that I did want to mention, but I still think it's a great little tool if you use a lot of nut drivers or bit drivers or anything like that. Here's the other design for just under $30. You have the 3 different flip sockets, and then the extension bar as well. A simple Amazon basic insulated tool. So this probably doesn't look like something that you want to buy. It's got 4 ratings at 1 star, so that's not looking so hot for some titanium coated high-speed drill bits. Here's another product by Klein Tools. So obviously you can tell they released quite a bit of different little setups of this same little flip socket design, and they are magnetic as well, so that is nice. There were some reviews stating that the magnets fell out. I have the Harbor Freight little magnetic nut driver set. Fantastic little set. Had a couple of the magnets fall out. Not a big deal. I dropped a drop of super glue in there, put them back in, never had an issue. I've had them probably close to 4 or 5 years. OEM Tools released their magnetic foldable trays, so little parts trays and stuff, sold by a lot of different companies. So OEM Tools just released theirs on Amazon for $28. Some Tecton impact sockets sold individually. Here you have stealth mounts. This is their bench belt. You can adapt these to basically anything. I actually have stealth mounts. It's just a company that makes a lot of different style mounts for different power tools and everything. I have the Milwaukee M12 battery mount and tool mount, and then I also have some DeWalt 20-volt battery mounts. They make a lot of different tools. This is specifically for holding tools and tape measures and things like that, with the belt clip style clips on them. So there you can kind of see there and how you can adapt them really wherever you want. This currently says unavailable, so I'm not sure what that's about. But they aren't the cheapest as far as mounts, but they are nice 3D printed products. I've had mine for maybe 6 months and haven't had any issues with mine, and they're in my work van, so they're constantly traveling down the road and everything, and nothing's broken or anything like that. Here's a cheap impact socket set that I've never heard of before. Another little angle bit screwdriver set with a ratchet for $16. Here's a Wen compound cross slide drill press vise for $70. Another Klein driver there. You can just see they have a bunch of different variations of basically the same tool. Another one of those Amazon Basics pliers sets. I don't have any experience with those. If you guys do, please let me know your guys' thoughts. Is it something that somebody could possibly save some money on if they buy these? Maybe they're just a DIYer or getting into the electrical field. I don't know if you really want to go cheap when it comes to working on electrical stuff and having good insulated tools. Here is a company I've never heard of that release. You will see these socket organizers, this variation, multiple different variations sold by hundreds of different brands out there. But it's always nice to have a lot of different variations because a lot of these companies will put them on sale, and you can usually get some organizers for some really good deals. Here's some more battery mounts. This is by a different company, but just having something like that has been a game changer to me, especially in my work van. Here you have a 2-pack of automatic center punches, and then it looks like it comes with a couple of replacement tips as well. So that's always nice. I have one. It's a great tool, spring loaded. So 2 of them with 2 extra tips for $10.50 seems like a good deal to me. Another one of that organizer there. A lot of random unheard of companies releasing this exact same socket organizer. And stay tuned, I will have a video coming out of the Amazon best-selling tools as well, so stay tuned for that video. Here's Swan Lake releasing their version, or it's not made by Swan Lake, obviously. It's just one company making all of these and multiple different unknown brands selling them, but they released theirs at $16. These can range. You will find the same set for around $30, $40 sold by some companies, so it's definitely worth checking out. You will know when you see the same ones sold by different companies, and you'll definitely see some big price differences. So it's definitely worth searching around for if you're looking for some organizers. Here you have Klein Tools with their circuit breaker tool set. It's a 2-piece set. Seems like a pretty nice set. I don't really use stuff like this, but if this is something that you guys are interested in, it is a new product released on Amazon. I'm not sure if it's a brand new product from Klein Tools, but it has 4.5 stars at 43 ratings and just under $61. And this is the kit with the case, and then you have the kit plus receptacle tester for $90, and then the kit and tester for $70. Here is a 2-inch tactical tape measure belt holster, which is funny that they put measuring tape holder and they have a impact hanging off of it. But it is $20 for this belt clip. So not a whole lot of fantastic deals on here, or I wouldn't say deals, but new releases, but I do like to do these videos at least once every 2 months just to see what has changed and what's been added. Here's a whole jig setup, and then some DeWalt 20-volt max 5 amp hour batteries. These are obviously not new, it's just a company selling them, and it's a new product from them. It's the Amazon new tools are kind of weird like that. Like, it's not like you're looking at brand new products released on the market. A lot of the times it's just brand new products that a company is selling on Amazon, so it's kind of tricky. And then 3M, they make some really good polishing compounds and stuff. That's it's definitely not the cheapest stuff, but they do make some good products. I've used a lot of 3M and have been very pleased with them. And then here you can see some carbide burr bits for $19. And if I went and refreshed this, there'd probably be 10 different things on this list. It's constantly changing. If you guys think this is a video worth watching, or if this is just something that you would rather just go in and look at them whenever you feel like it, please feel free to drop a comment down below. This is one of the reasons I don't necessarily always do these new release Amazon videos, because like I stated before, it's not always new tools, it's just new tools that a seller is putting on Amazon. So other than that, I still hope you guys really enjoyed. Stay tuned for the Amazon Weekly Tool Deal video, as well as the best sellers on Amazon as well. I will have that video out soon. So if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.